Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. We are discussing C++ functions, and in this lecture I'll be talking about function overloading. So that is function overloading. Over Overloading. Ooh, my spellings are very weak. So the function overloading is when different functions have the same name, but then they take in different parameters and do different tasks. It, Here is an example. I might be having an addition function that takes into parameters x and y, like this. So this must be integer, maybe float, or anything you want. So this is an addition function having two parameters x and y. Then I also want to declare an addition function that takes in three parameters x, y, and z, like this. So this is also an addition function. This is an addition function. So this is what we call function overloading. Function with the same name, but then taking in different parameters, like that. So if we go into the coding part, let me zoom in a bit, like this. So we have int addition, and it takes in int x and int y, like this. Then it returns x plus y, like this. Okay, then we copy the same function and we paste it, and then this takes in three parameters in x, y, and z, like that. Then it returns also do for z, like that. So this is what we call function overloading. Same function, but then it is having different parameters. So to call this function, let's also add z here, maybe 17, like that. And then we made two lines. This is addition. One takes m and n. Okay, copy the same function and paste it below. Then this time pass on another variable, like that. So if you pass three variables, automatically the compiler will come and look for a function that has three variables inside, or parameters inside. Then if you pass two parameters, then they'll simply go and look for a function that takes in only two parameters. Okay, then I wanted to give you a hint that the variables we pass to the function at runtime are not called parameters, they are called arguments. So if you see what is an argument is a variable passed to a function at runtime. So actually this 9, 10, and 17 are arguments, but then the x and y in our function definition are called parameters. Okay, so let's run this. If we have no error, then it should work. Oh my god, we didn't define O, instead we defined z here. So if you change this to z, then it should work. Cool. So 1936, no, I need a break to see the effect of this, like this. So you need a break, and if you run it again, you should see that 19 corresponds to the first one and 36 corresponds to the second. So we can add more styling to it by doing this. First function. I want to tabulate and add some space. Then after that, do this. Then copy the same thing. I know programmers are lazy. No one wants to write the whole thing repeatedly, so that's why I'm copying and pasting. So if you run it now, I think it should look nice. Wow. First function, returns 19, and then the second function returns 36. If you want more beauty, then you can add another t slash t like that, and now they're on the same line. So first function returns 19 and second function returns 36. So this one takes 3 parameters, so it corresponds to the second one here, and this one that takes 2 parameters corresponds to the first one. So that is function overloading. We meet in the next lecture as we talk about default variables.